What happens to gold prices after breaking through $1,800 an ounce? I turn to our expert on calling tops. That's David Bannister. Now, gold hit a high of $1,817 overnight this week. Is that a short-term top for now?
Well, a few nights ago, I did update my subscribers, and I said I expected a top at around 1805.
So if that was the interim top, let's say 1805, and we did go up to about 1817, how low do we go before we resume that next leg in the bull run?
Well, Alex, I think there may be one more leg left, and the lows would come in around 1730, which is actually about where we're trading today. If there's going to be another leg up, it would need to start fairly soon. People should understand that gold has been rallying for 34 months from the October '08 lows. And that's a typical Fibonacci period of time that I look at that can max out a move.
So then what happens in that last leg of the bull run? How long does it last and how high do we actually go?
I think the maximum high that I've told my subscribers is $1,860 an ounce based on relationships with prior rallies and prior bottoms. But again, you're going to want to see that rally fairly soon. Otherwise, the market did top in the low 1800s.
So then what happens after this final leg? I didn't think that we'd get there this quickly. If we get to that 1860 level, how big of a correction? What's that real price of gold once that fear premium comes out of the market?
Well, gold could drop as low as the low 1400s to mid 1400s over the next several months on the low end. But I would say it's more likely to see maybe 1580 to low 1600s as probable. Again, understanding that, in my opinion, we're in a 13-year up cycle for gold. We're in about year 10 or 11, roughly, of that. There's going to be a pause along the way, and I think we're due for a multi-month consolidation.
And then where does that leave silver real quick over the next few months? And if we do see gold hit that 1860 level and then come off it, what happens to silver? It's really been lagging in this rally.
Silver is going to have a problem, Alex. If it breaks below 37, I've told my subscribers they should be getting out of it or taking protective measures. Silver could decline much more than gold. It is an industrial metal as well. It does have situations where when you have credit contraction, silver can really take a hit. And although we haven't had credit contraction problems yet, that's still something to be aware of. So I would be probably avoiding silver over the intermediate several months and keeping a sharp eye on where gold trades.
All right, thanks, David. I appreciate it. So watch that 1730 level for gold. If we rally off of that, we could go to 1860 before we see a big correction. Thanks so much.